If you're collecting data with Tally forms, knowing how to view responses is super important. In this guide, I'll show you how to view and manage responses in Tally step by step. First, log into your Tally account and go to your dashboard where all your forms are listed. Next, click on the form you want to check. This will open the form editor and response section. Now switch to the Responses tab. This is where all submitted entries are stored in real time. You can click on any response to view full details like answers, timestamps, and user inputs. If you have many responses, you can use filters or search to quickly find specific entries. You can also export your responses to a spreadsheet for deeper analysis or reporting. If you want automatic syncing, connect your form to Google Sheets so every response is saved instantly. You can also delete or manage responses if needed, especially when cleaning up old or test data. Tally also gives you simple insights like response count and submission trends over time, and that's how to view responses in Tally forms. So once you know where to look, managing your data becomes quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.